Ty's saying hi to Nana and Katie.
God, you're so cute.
We just got here. Look at Kim. Kim, she's cute.
Yeah.
And this is the chicken yard. And there's sunflowers.
How come you're sweaty?
And their house.
It's August here. Yeah, it's
Look how pretty.
in the south.
Now I'm going to their house. Look at all the okra and the squash and the pumpkin.
Squash. It's all squash. And tomatoes that our chickens planted for us.
What's this growing up the pole?
I don't know, but it was going to be beans, but our beans didn't do too good. Waterfall over there. And
This is Ty's pond.
dug this by myself by hand. It's pretty
Wow.
tough. It was this stuff.
Yeah. What's the solar light for, Ty?
That's to aerate it's a pump in there.
I
What is
see.
this? I see this on the...
This is his pond he built.
For what?
We're going to raise fish eventually, but
Right now
we need
you
a pump. Yeah, we need a pump. That's just an aerator. And it's pretty intermittent. It ain't good enough to swim back here.
Oh, I can wash my rock off in it?
Yeah, if you want.
Be careful for snakes, Mama. Smile, Katie.
We open the door every morning and they come run up on our loft and come cuddle with us every morning.
Oh.
They love us.
And they love the woods, huh?
Yeah,
That's all they know, isn't it?
I love my kids.
Kitty babies? We do.
The little white one is Annie, baby. This
Annie?
is Inky. I call her Inky Bear. That one's Gelfling. The little orange one is Orange Julius. And then there's a gray one. She was hiding under the porch. Her name is Grady. It's a gray baby. I call her Gray Baby. Oh, she's docile. She's usually not. She's a little bad girl. She climbs on our roof and keeps up there.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Is the grass up there?
No, literally. They're like
I
dogs.
thought maybe you had a grass roof.
No, she's just weird. She runs on our roof all night.
Okay, what have you been doing? Working?
This is
I
their
was thinking, somebody asked me what kind of diapers you're using. Look,
this
he's
is
hugging the dog with her
this
tail.
is their washing machine.
Hey, look,
Kupa's about to hug her.
It's down at the creek. It's dried up right now.
But you got down in there this morning and took a bath, huh?
Well, yeah. It gets like this at around this time of the day.
That and we did dishes down there, so there might be like soap on the top of the water.